Let's create a simple Diwali look, starting with a super moisturized base. I like this foundation. I'm mixing two foundation to create the perfect shade. By the way, the foundation is from Forever 52. This is again from Forever 52 and this concealer is so good. Using a damp sponge, I'm going to blend it nicely. Now I'm going to set the under eyes. Here is my favorite part. I'm mixing a liquid blush with a liquid highlighter. Just look at the glow. Just going to set her brows. Now it's time for the eyeshadow. I'm taking a lighter color and a darker color, blending all over the lid, tight lining the upper eyelid. I'm going to slightly blend it. Same for the lower lash line, adding some Kohl and mascara. Now I'm going to outline the lips. I love these shades. We were a little confused, so we decided to go with both the colors. It's important to shake them well for a good application. Now setting everything that we have worked so far. We added some gold earrings, a simple plain bindi, and she's ready. Do tag me if you try this look. I would love to see them. By the way, all the products are listed below. You guys have a wonderful and a safe Diwali ahead.